Okay, there you can see the GTO is all masked up and ready for the first prime. Do a quick walk around here. I'll put the primer on the shaker, do a final wipe on the car and a tack rag, and we'll get this thing sealed up and ready for some more fun sanding. Sanding, sanding, sanding. As I mentioned before, it's nice that the roof was as good as it is. These quarters came out great. They weren't damaged. One little spot on the other side. Couple tiny little dings, you can see them there. Not a lot of filler on those sail panels. All looks good. Next time you see it, she's gonna be one solid color again. And there it is, finally. After all this time, all those hours of work, cutting out the rust, welding this, moving that, modifying this, it is now in sanding primer. This stuff is real good. This is pretty much a sprayable polyester. It's a direct to metal as well, so this is going to seal the metal and keep it from corrosion. But you can see it turned out great. The car is going to turn out real nice and straight. I know it's going to be a white car, but even if this was a black car, this thing would come out really, really nice. You're all invited to a sanding party. We can get this thing wrapped up, get it ready for paint. The rest of the pieces are out at Media Blast, getting the plastic media blasted to get all the paint off of them. When they get back, they'll get the same treatment as this, but she looks good. I'm happy. All those hours of work just to get to this point. And there are a lot of them. I know we're way past 600 hours up to this point. I'm not going to go look at it right now because it's on the other side of the shop, my hours log. But there's a lot of work up to this point. I'm thinking we have even 700 hours in this thing. But anyway, it's going to come out good. Stay tuned for more. Probably the next series of videos you're going to see, or the next video you'll see. I'm not sure if it's going to be this thing with the guide code on it and sanding being done. Maybe it'll be the pieces when they come back from Media Blast. I'll show you what they look like. Hopefully they're in good shape and we don't have a nightmare on our hands with them. I do know I'm reskinning the doors, so that's a given. I got brand new skins, but I'm curious. I'm curious what we're going to find with that trunk lid. What are we going to find with the hood? Don't know. You know, front fenders, same deal. They look good, but this car didn't look that bad sitting on my trailer all those months ago when I picked it up from that barn. And look what we had to do to it. So stay tuned for more on the 67 GTO. As always, like and subscribe. Any questions or comments? We'll see ya.